Okay, hope you watched my previous video of if else equal to sign. Okay, then in this video we would learn about the switch case and break statement. And so if any doubts or query anyone has, then you can comment in the comment section. So this is the previous program, as you all know. Okay, so I would edit it because the this might be a good example for switch case too. So I would take this question. And in previous program I wrote something like if that equal to sign, if is yeah, it we can replace it by case, switch case. Now how it is, I can show you. Wait, first I would delete this comment. Then I would write switch A. Switch A is used to switch the value of the A with the user's value. Now I wrote if A is equal to 1. Now we can replace this by switch case by writing case. Okay, case 1. We would take 3 cases because we have to enter any number between 1 and 3, means we have to write 3 cases, 1 2 3. So I would take case 1, case 2 and default. Okay, case 3. Now default. Default. Then I would close it. Switch part. Okay, this came in the comment. Backspace. Switch part is closed. Get ch, get and display the output. Okay, done. I will write break for 3 cases. Here to break. Okay, so yeah, let's start with the question. Write a C++ program where you can accept a number between 1 and 3. Okay, yeah, hope you read the question. Print 1 if user enters 1, print 2 if user enters 2, print 3 if user enters 3. So let's start with the program. We write 2 header files first. iostream.h is the library header file. conio.h is the console input output. Void main, it is the main function. Execution of the program starts from the main function. Int a, it is the one we have to accept only one number from the user, so we declared only one single variable. clr scr, it is used to clear the previous output. cout, enter any number between 1 and 3. It accepts any number from the user. cin a, accepted number is stored in a. Switch a. Now what is switch? It is used to switch the value of the a with the cases. Like like if I give the input 1, then switch bracket 1, then case 1 would be executed and the 1 would be printed. So case 1 is if user inputs as 1, then 1 is printed. Break, what is break? If 1 is printed, okay, if 1 is printed, then break statement would stop the switch case execution. Okay, yeah, and the program too. So case 2 is for printing 2. If user inputs a number as 2, then 2 is printed. Same for case 3, and then default. Yeah, default, if the above three cases are not matched with the user's value, then we write default. If user inputs some other number except a 1 2 3, then invalid number is printed. And we would not write a break statement in the default case, because since we know that default is the last and default statement for the switch case, and after default the execution is is going to obviously stop, so we haven't wrote the break statement here. Then get ch, then okay, then as I told, the equal to symbol is used for comparing the value of a and the value passed by the user. And equal to when, like if a is equal to 1, which can be replaced by switch cases like I replaced above. Okay, then let's take an example. For example, C out, enter any number. If user enters 1, C in A, which means 1 is stored in A, switch A, bracket open, case 1, user's value 1 will be compared since A is equal to 1. Yeah, since A is equal to 1, 1 is stored, then break. If it's matching, then 1 is printed. Default, cout invalid. If the case 1 is not executed or matched, then we would see the invalid, and the invalid statement would be printed. So let's compile it first. 0 error. Then let's run. 1, enter any number between 1 and 2. Okay, 1. Let's run it again. 2, we got 2. It depends on the value which is input by the user. So I input first 5, then I got invalid number. Whenever the comparison is with the equal to sign in if section, then we can replace if else with this switch case statement like I did before. Break statement breaks or stops the execution if the user's value and the case value is matched. Break statement stops our execution if the user's value was like user's value, if user enters 1, it is 1 is the user's value. Okay, then case value is here case 1 and cout 1. If these both are matched, then break statement would break or stop the execution of the program, and 1 one is printed. Okay, default is a default case, which means if user's value doesn't match with the above three cases, then we write default case. And default case doesn't contain break statement since it is the default or last statement. So hope you understood the program and got the output. So do practice at home. Thanks for watching the video. Do like and share my video. Subscribe the channel for more. Let's run it again. 55 invalid. 3 3.